This is Jeff, and Mary's on camera with Eternity Shore, and it's been a atypical boating season. So we are getting ready to try to do a couple nights up to Charlestown, Maryland, and we came yesterday, Friday, and there's a break in the weather, so we're going to try to get out of here, get up to Charlestown. A couple different issues that we were facing was my depth finder wasn't working, but figured that out, which I can share with a little later when I get underway. And the other thing is, you may hear in the background there is a squeak on the starboard engine. I don't know if it's the belt that needs to be replaced. I hope it doesn't come off while we're traveling, although I have another belt on board that we can replace it. So we have about 34 nautical miles to get there, and it looks pretty smooth out right now, so we'll do the best we can. Get back up on plane. After all the problems we had, I hope the temperature's fine for the engines, and this is really our first trip, and I kind of feel gross and gritty and disgusting because I've been working on the boat and doing different things. So you ready to go?
I'm ready, Captain. And
Right.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
June
to me.
7th.
June 7th. 57. 7. So, all right, let's start the countdown. So it's starting to rain, or it's been raining, sprinkling, it's really gray. I'm not sure what you guys do when you have a plan, like it's the weekend, so it's time to boat. So do you go, what do you do with the reservations? You make a reservation in Marina, then you back off, because we had one, and then we backed off. So I'm not really sure, but hopefully this will pass through a bit. But I think the biggest key is to getting up to our destination today, because I think Monday is supposed to be beautiful, and Mary has Monday off, and we're gonna come back on Monday. So in just a little bit, we're gonna try to take it up on plane, and hopefully that'll go well. Okay, it's time. Nervous. Time to get on plane. You sure you want to do this?
Here we go.
I don't know where we're going.
Good spot for fishing.
Whoa. You don't see any numbers, huh? It's just a little bit tight here. What are we doing?
We're going to go explore
Okay.
a little bit on our way to the Market Street Cafe for late lunch, early dinner.
Great. Awesome. This is a gorgeous and clean chaparral signature. Anyway, love that table in there. Yep, well maintained. Good job, Miller Time.